Hi, I'm Sina from Rockgas with a few tips on how to check your 45 kilo LPG bottles. Like most LPG users, you probably run two bottles. One is the main bottle, the second is your reserve. When the first bottle runs out, your regulator will change over to the reserve, giving you a continuous supply of LPG. Here's how to tell when it's time to reorder. If you still have gas in both bottles, the indicator on your regulator will either be green or clear, depending on the type of regulator you've got. But if the indicator is red, you only have LPG in one bottle, which means it's time to log into your Rockgas app to reorder. Remember to always keep both bottles turned on. That's the way they're meant to run. Make sure you check the regulator on your bottles often. Every week is best. Here's a tip. Check it whenever you put your bins out. Once you've reordered, Rockgas will come and exchange the empty bottle with a new one. At the same time, we'll reset the indicator, so please don't touch it. We'll let you know when to expect your Rockgas driver. To keep things safe, please secure your dogs and make sure there's a clear access way for us to get to your LPG bottles. Your main bottle may change over to the reserve bottle due to a drop in temperature or if you're using multiple appliances. This ensures you have a continuous supply of LPG, but it does mean your reserve bottle may be partially used before your indicator turns red, which is another reason why it's important you check your bottles weekly, so you don't get caught short of gas. Here's another tip. You won't be able to tell how much LPG is in the bottle by rocking, tilting, or shaking the bottle. To find out how you can safely check how much gas is in your bottle, have a look at rockgas.co.nz. So, a quick recap. A green or clear indicator means you have plenty of gas. A red indicator means it's time to order. Make sure your dogs are secured and there is clear access to the bottles. Please don't rock, shake or tilt your bottle. And finally, if your bottles are set up differently to the details in this video, please contact your local Rockgas supplier to check with them. For more information, visit rockgas.co.nz.